Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mayur. In this video, we will learn about project management. Here is the definition of project management. Let me read it for you. Project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools and techniques to project activities to meet the project requirement. Project management is not something new. It has been in use for many years. For example, canals, bridge, pyramids, Taj Mahal, the Wall of China, spaceships, all of these are example of a project. The outcome of these projects were the result of leaders and managers applying project management principle, practices, tools and techniques to their work. To understand project management better, first we need to know about what is a project. So a project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service or result. Objective of a project is to produce deliverables. Another point is that projects are performed once and done. So these are not like ongoing and repetitive operational work. Let me explain it to you in more details. So there are two key points here from the definition. First one is to create a unique product, service or result. Another one is temporary. So unique product can be either a new item or new version of an existing item, like a car company making a new model of a car or working on enhanced version of an existing model of a car. It is not necessary that outcome of a project is always tangible. It could be a service or result. I'll give you example for unique service like service offering at a consulting firm. IT service company provide production support to client and unique result like research documents. You do something for goodwill, you do something for the betterment of society, like organizing blood donation camps. So all these are example of a unique product, service or result. Uh, for temporary, the temporary nature of projects indicates that a project has a definite beginning and end. It will have a start time and end time. Temporary doesn't mean short duration. It could be less than 1 month or more than 5 years. It's depend upon the nature of a project. These are the common example of a project like construction of a building, making a new model of phone, car, watch, laptop, acquiring and installing new hardware for your company, merging two organization, moving infra from on-premise model to cloud. So when your project ends, these are the uh, common scenario when your project ends, like objective have been achieved or objective will or cannot be met, funding exhausted, legal issue, the need of for the project is no longer exist. Projects are temporary, but their deliverables may exist beyond the end of the project. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Take care, stay safe. Thank you.